So here we have the Kia Rio on a 20 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in fantastic condition and a great looking car too, the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 34,937. And above that, a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information that's displayed there for various bits of driving data, and there are other menus available to you as well. And you can see me cycling through those now. And that is being done using the buttons just here. We've also, over that side, got our cruise control. On the left-hand side, we have stereo and phone controls, including voice activation for the phone just there. And in the centre, the main touchscreen where you would pair up your phone, amongst other things. We're going to cancel that at this moment in time and close that down. When it comes to music, we have, of course, got the radio. You can either use the button I just used or the touchscreen, but we've got DAB, FM and AM radio available to us. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. Nothing is connected at the moment. You can connect up an auxiliary device, a USB device. You can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. If the USB device you connect up is your smartphone, you can also see we've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available to us as well. And if I pop the car into reverse, you'll also see the full colour reversing camera to go along with those parking sensors. Working our way down, we have deadlock, so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside. Our air conditioning, of course, so temperature, fan speed and the direction the air is being distributed in at present. The air conditioning is off at the moment, so that button turns it on and off again. Hit this button and what will happen is that you'll be recirculating the air that's in the car currently. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set over there. And then we've got our heated rear screen as well. Underneath that we have a 12-volt charging socket, a cigarette lighter which can be used as a second 12-volt charging socket, the auxiliary and USB inputs I mentioned a moment ago, some storage. We can turn our parking sensors on and off. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. And then we have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Mach 1 Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.